Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. This is going to be the Inu episode. We have, yes, count them, 20 Inu. There's actually more than 20, but we have 20 Inu wannabe tokens, Shiba Inu wannabe tokens. When will they moon? And an interesting strategy for this thing. So the thing is, a lot of these you can only buy on Uniswap. They might actually cost a lot of fees to buy, but some of them you can actually buy on Binance Smart Chain like BSC. So I would actually take the ones that are either on layer 2 on Ethereum or on another blockchain and invest $50 or $100 in each of these and see what happens. Because if you diversify a risk, there's less risk than if you just put it all in one coin. Like, I think putting $100 in 20 of these coins is significantly safer than putting $2,000 in one of these coins. Now, the only thing is if the market downturns, all of these can get easily wiped out. So you have to bail out before the bear market actually arrives, which I do think Bitcoin's going to go over 100,000, and some of these definitely are going to moon. So let's look at these 20 Inu coins and see what we can actually, let's actually see how we should invest in these and when they could possibly moon. So let's start with Lovely Inu. I have no idea when this can moon. This would probably just be kind of like FOMO, and you probably have to follow their Reddit. This is Binance Smart Chain, so it is one of those that doesn't cost that much money to actually buy a bag. Then you have Hakaidu Inu. I have no idea what this is either. Probably just follow their social media. The max supply is just like Shiba Inu at 1 quadrillion. But the fully diluted market cap is only 30 million. We don't really know what the market cap is, and there's no volume. So the thing is, like, I definitely would not buy a lot of this. The thing is, if someone purchases like $2,000 or $3,000 of this at once, it could easily shoot the price up. So look for these whale movements. And then you have Shiba. Well, we already have Shiba Inu. I don't really know if it's a good time to buy this right now because it had just had a massive pump, and people buy the rumor and sell the news. Then we have Safemoon Inu. This will probably be like a combination of Shiba Inu and Safemoon. So if both of those coins moon, Safemoon Inu might actually moon as well. This one only has a supply of 1 trillion, so 1,000 times less than Shiba Inu. Fully diluted market cap, only $5 million. So definitely some possibility there. If Bitcoin moons, this could actually moon. Then we have AkitaInu. This is 100 trillion, so 10 times less than Shiba Inu's supply. Fully diluted market cap, only 149 million. This one's got actually decent volume, 16 million, so it's got some liquidity. However, it could moon or drop at any time as well. Then you have Floki Inu, and this one pumped a lot because Elon Musk named his dog Floki. This one does have some use case with like charity. Still don't really believe in it, but there's 10 trillion of these coins, so a lot less than Shiba Inu. I suppose if Elon Musk does something for his dog Floki, this could actually moon again. But remember, this because it's named after Elon Musk's dog, a lot of these movements are going to be dependent on what Elon Musk does. Take that for what you will. You may not like that because I probably wouldn't want my investment resting on what Elon Musk does with his dog. So that's Floki Inu. Next one is Saitama. Saitama, if you guys didn't know, is One Punch Man. The guy that can kill all enemies in one punch no matter how strong they are. So I don't really know when this is going to move, but it could have something to do with the release of Saitama Season 3. I think that's going to be next year, so maybe when Season 3 releases on Saitama, unless this died first in the bear market, this could actually be something to actually look at. However, there are 100 quadrillion of these coins, so it's not like you're going to have a shortage of these coins to buy. There is a decent amount of volume at 8 million, and people are talking about this, so this could be good for a pump and dump, but that's about it right now. Then you have Kishuinu. This is, this also has 100 quadrillion coins, 4 million volume, so there is some trading on it. Not really sure when this will actually moon. This is on Ethereum, Uniswap, so I probably wouldn't buy this right now because it's just, I feel like it's Uniswap version 2 and there's too many fees for it. If I wanted to buy Kishuinu, I would probably go with Polynex, OKX, Gate.io, or try to get some on KickX or something like that, something a little bit. Those exchanges are unsafe. But if there's like a $50 fee for buying this, these Inu coins, definitely not worth it. Then you have Nami Inu. Nami is that girl from One Piece. So if Luffy wins in I guess like if Luffy wins in Wano and her bounty goes up in One Piece, that could be a trigger for a bull run. As dumb as that seems, this depending on a manga, we've seen much dumber things in crypto. And Goku Inu. Goku obviously is the protagonist of Dragon Ball Z. There's not much volume in this, so if someone buys a couple $1,000 of this could actually go way up. You probably won't be able to buy or sell a lot of this. So Goku in Master Ultra Instinct level 1 form essentially got defeated by Granola. However, if Goku actually masters Ultra Instinct like level 2 or something, it could actually pump. Yes, you might have to follow anime to see when this coin pumps. It's really dumb, but it could actually be a thing. This is also on Ethereum. All these ones not on BSC on ETH, I would definitely hesitate in buying because the fees are pretty large. Then you have, once again, you have Lovely Inu, then you have Luffy Inu. Luffy is the protagonist of One Piece. So on the week that Luffy finally defeats Kaido in the manga, probably in a couple of weeks, this might actually moon. There's a lot of supply. I do believe there's like 100 quadrillion supply, so there's no lack of supply. The volume it's under $1 million. So if someone buys like 10, 20 grand, this definitely could move it a lot. So any small whale movement could definitely impact it. But this could actually rest on how the anime does as well. Then there's Kiana Inu. I'm not really sure about this, what it actually depends on. Maybe if Keanu Reeves has another big movie or something, or maybe if they come out with another Matrix movie. Not really sure if they should do that. And if that movie flops, this might drop. But if that movie like soars, this might go up. Yes, you're going to have to depend on social media, movies, and manga for some of this stuff, for signals. Dumb, of course. But hey, you know what? It might make you a lot of money. So heck, why not risk $50, right? This is baby Shiba Inu. I think this is going to kind of like parallel Shiba Inu. It's kind of like, it's Binance Smart Chain, so it doesn't cost much to buy. But this will probably just parallel Shiba Inu. Then you have Duke Inu token. I have no idea what this is, but this is also Binance Smart Chain. Almost no volume, however. However, like these Binance Smart Chain things, if Binance Smart Chain starts to get more use, they could actually have an influx of volume and have an influx in price. And then you have Hakaidu Inu. This is just kind of like a DeFi thing, I think. The thing is, like, this does not have much volume right now. So, like, any of these Inu coins that have under 1 million volume, if some whale injects a bunch of volume, it'll probably go up. But it's hard to predict whale movements. This is green at Shiba Inu. I don't really know. This is also a BSC token and also not much volume, so same as the other tokens. And then you have Chopper Inu. Chopper is the medical doctor in One Piece. So once again, could depend on when and how Luffy defeats Kaido on Wano. Because, people like some whale just be like, could just be like, you know what, he defeated Kaido. So all these One Piece Inu things are actually going to go up. Sanchu Inu, I'm not really sure. I've actually heard some talk about this. So there could be a pump sooner or later. Also not a lot of volume. You pump $1 million into it, it could go way, way up. If you pump $1 million into it, there's so many zeros, it could go 1,000x, but you won't be able to sell out $1,000. But you might still be able to make out a decent amount of money. Remember, Shiba Inu itself probably started around this price, but it has 100 quadrillion coins, so there's no lack of coins. Then Goku Inu again. I think it's a new Goku Inu, obviously, maybe when he masters Ultra Instinct level 2. So the thing is, like, there's actually about 80 or so Inu tokens. I would find, like, if you really are interested in this stuff, I would find like 10 or 20 that are actually not on Ethereum and that are actually on like Binance Smart Chain and actually buy them. Buy like maybe 50 to 100 bucks out of each of them and then just diversify that way. And all it takes is one of those to go up for you to make a lot of money. They could, like 19 of them could fail, but if one of them wins, then you still win. So I think that's a decent chance in like a bull market to actually win because any of these coins can blow up at any time. You will need some kind of software, I'm not really sure what, to track like a whole bunch of these different Inu coins to see what your total net worth is in like a certain portfolio. I would just call it the Inu portfolio and see how much like you can actually make from this. And once one of these coins starts skyrocketing, you definitely want to sell because they probably won't hold it for that long. So once again, diversify 10, 20 coins, 50 to 100 bucks in each and see where this goes. Obviously, for some of these anime Inus, which a lot of these are, you will actually want to pay attention to what happens in the anime. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.